Okay, now write that on each of these sections.
2.
Well, that means we have one plate cut into 2 pieces.
Yep.
Label that one as well. We're gonna make one with 4. Okay? Yep.
Okay.
Okay, they're not cut exactly even, but these are pretty close. So, what is each of these pieces called?
1/4.
How many fourths makes a half?
2.
Okay. So this can be called 1/2, or it can be called 2/4, right? Okay, let's label each of these pieces.
So it's 4.
So we have halves here. Okay, next we're gonna try and find 1/8. So we'll be cutting these in half, right?
Yes.
Okay, I believe we have, count how many pieces. We cut quarters in half, and how many do we have?
0, 1,
2.
1,
4,
3,
5,
10, 9,
Shh, stop that.
8.
Okay, what does that look like? Show me what each of these pieces looks like. Okay, all right, label all of these that same way. Okay, we have our halves. We have our 4, so 2 halves, we have 4 quarters, we have 8 eighths. Now what do we have?
we have 3 3s.
Okay, so what do you
Two
call
twos.
this?
2 2s.
A 1 out.
These are 2 2s.
What's, if you have
2 plus 2
it
makes
cut in 3 pieces, what is each
a
piece called?
toy.
Shh, what is each piece called?
A third.
Yep, and write what that looks like on here.
Okay.
Okay, and then let's label these, and then we're gonna cut these and cut each of them in half.
Look.
And then what will each of these pieces be called?
A 6.
Yeah. Okay, now that we have all of our pieces and have them all labeled, we're gonna do some fun math. Okay? So what are we adding together?
1/3 and 1/6.
Okay, let's do that. Grab a third. And now grab a sixth. What did it make? Hold on. There's a special way to do that with fractions, okay? When you're adding pieces together with a different amount, like this is not, we're not adding 2/3, we're adding a third and a sixth. We have to change this one. We have to swap it out for sixths so that they have the same denominator, okay? The denominator is the bottom number. So we swap our third for how many sixths? What's a third the same as?
A third?
1/3. How many sixths was it the same as?
1,
1/3 is the same as how many sixths?
2.
Yeah. So we change 1/3 into 2 sixths. Is it the exact same amount? Does it mean the same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, but we need to do that in order to add them together. You always have to have the same bottom number to add fractions together. Okay? So say equals, and then at the bottom, you're going to put 6 because that's what we're adding together. It's like, yes, how many sixths you have all together when you add 2 sixths and 1 sixth? Okay, and what's 3 sixths the same as?
3.
1.5.
Yeah. Do another equal sign. And this is called simplifying. That's called simplifying. You put it in its smallest form. Okay? Boom. Yep, same thing, right? Okay, now let's add together. Let's add together 1/2 plus 1/4.
1/2 plus 1.
Yep. What would you call that? That's the question. What do you call it? How much you have? Huh.
5. It's
Okay.
5.
Remember how I said that when we're...
3/4.
Yes. And what you did is you just turned this into...
A fourth.
Well, not 1/4, but
2/4.
2/4. Okay, grab 2/4 from over here. Okay. So 1/2 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. fourths. Okay, let's do the math on that. So first write 1/2 plus 1/4.
Hey.
Okay, now we're changing this so it has the same bottom
Actually,
number.
a lot
So
of
1/2 is the same as how
fours
many?
and nines.
1/2 is the same as how many fourths?
3.
No, no. 1/2 is the same as
1/2 is the same as
2/4. Yes, and once you swap them, you can add them all together, right?
Somebody hasn't taken care of their plant in a while.
Now it's easy to add. You've got 2 of this kind and then 1 more of this kind. So how many of this kind do you have? This is the kind, right?
It equals 3/4.
Perfect. We're going to have to figure out what to call this. Oh. 3/4 plus 1/8. Now, what's the rule? The bottom number has to be the same in order to add them together, right?
Yeah.
How do we change 3/4 into eighths so we can add them together? Let's see.
Split them in half.
Well, add them up. Fill it in. See how many it is. How many does it take? Okay. 2 eighths per fourth, right? Yeah.
So 3/4 is 6/8.
Yeah. Okay. Change that 3/4 to 6/8. Okay, and now add them together. Let's do the actual swap. 1, 2, 6. That's the same as 3/4, right? Okay, and now add 1 more to it. Almost the whole pie, right?
Yeah.
Okay, how many eighths do you have there?
7.
Yep. Okay, so 3/4 plus 1/8 makes 7/8. Yep. What if we cut each of these in half? How big would each piece be?
Half of an 8.
Mm-hmm. What's 8 plus 8?
8 plus 8 is 16.
Mm-hmm. Each piece would be a
16.
1/16. Yep. And we would add them up just the same.